Good afternoon. It's 13th of October, Monday afternoon, and we're going to do some training.
It's been raining here in Auckland City, but I'm going to make my way down to my main gym and do some training there because it's got heaps of equipment. Got some arborists tidying up trees in Auckland City, which is kind of cool. This tree here could be a problem going forward along the way. Alright, let's get in there. Get it done. Gym time. This is my bro Steve. Look at those muscles, mate. This is shame. Also never shames us. Welcome to my world. That was a good one, eh? Hey, if you're ever in Auckland City and you want to come hang out and train and kick it with us, send us a message and link up and we'll go to the gym and do some training, or else we'll go to some other spots and yeah, get a first hand experience, right? Alright, so we're going to go down to the spot, get everything ready for tonight's service and yeah, keep on doing the good work in the community. Soon enough we'll do something with this lot, feed them up and all that good stuff, eh? Okay, my mate Isaac's on his way in right now. It's us!
Here we go. Here we go, guys.
That was good. We had one of the members of our community beaten up. He was given a subtle message by his mates, by his own mates, and now my mate gave him some first aid and wanting the first responders, ambulance, and the cops. Tough stuff, dude. Dumb code, eh? Yeah, dumb code. So it was a pretty good service, you know, apart from the street politics, but that's what happens in that space. It's quite strange that the guy, the Vic, he refused to talk to the emergency services, but he's going to walk to the hospital instead, which is good. You know, we knew he was lucid and stuff.